Good morning everyone. Myself Bhavis along with my friend Kirit of grade 5 in Alphabet Techno School. Today we are explaining about how acidity is treated. First to start with, we will take some amount of acetic acid in an empty bottle.
Instead of hydrochloric acid, we take acetic acid.
Then take a balloon, fill it with sodium bicarbonate, commonly called as baking soda.
And then cover the mouth of the bottle with the balloon completely without inverting it. When we invert the balloon, we can see that the balloon starts to inflate because acid reacts with baking soda and carbon dioxide is produced, which inflates the balloon, and acidity is treated. The acid gets neutralized. Let us start the procedure. The materials are acetic acid, conical flask, spatula, balloon, glass dropper, test tube, sodium bicarbonate commonly called as baking soda. First we should take test tube and fill some water in it. Let us add few drops of acetic acid into test tube to dilute. Let us add some sodium bicarbonate into balloon. And then cover the mouth of the test tube with the balloon completely without inverting it. When we invert the balloon, we can see that the balloon starts to inflate because acid reacts with baking soda and carbon dioxide is produced. By this, acidity is treated. Thank you.
Alphabet Techno School, Motinagar, Hyderabad.